Hi everyone, this is our last segment in the basic operation of the Adret Thumpers, surge generators, and actually the most popular unit that we do produce is the SG50016, used in a lot of mining for trailing cable faults, and then contractor work as well, street lights. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's start at the back. Okay, so primary inputs, we got mains input 220, we've got the high voltage output, and we've got earth. So firstly, let's start with the HT. This is how the HT plug looks. Goes now in and gets turned into, make sure it gets a good connection. Then we will do earth. If this earth is not at the same potential as this earth, then the machine won't come on. Alright, so there's our mains inputs. Okay, I'm going to take off this earth for now. Okay, so it's plugged in, it's on, nothing comes on. Oh no, my machine isn't working. If you have a bad earth, this unit won't come on at all. I'm going to put the earth on, so you can see the... Now you can also see if you've got a bad earth on these units, it will give you earth okay and mains low. Then you know your earth is there, but it's not totally happy with it. Sometimes it won't come on then. Alright. You'll also see the safety okay light will illuminate. If you take out the selector switch, safety okay goes off, or if it's not in properly. If it's in properly, alright, that will come on. Okay, now next on our I can call it safety features. It's okay, reverse polarity. If it picks up that the polarity is reversed, it will give you a light the same as there and it won't come on. Mains low will come on if the mains is lower than 200 volts, or if there's a bad earth, and then it will only come on with okay. Mains high, if the mains is over 260 volt or 240 volt, that will come on. If it's over 280 volt, then there's a mains conditioning board in the unit that blows. Okay, this little board will blow these MOVs because they can only withstand up to 280 volts. A lot of times the guys put or will connect it by mistake on 380 if they are stealing power from a sub or whatever, and that will lead to these MOVs to blow, and then it will have to come in to be sorted out. Okay, so back at the front of the machine, our safety parameters are met. Also, if the emergency stop is entered, the safety okay will also come off, and that's how we release it, just by turning the key. You can lock it out and take the key, and then nobody can work the machine. All right. Okay, so as we say, always start at the lowest voltage, right? So 2.5 kV, we go on, HT on, go to 60%. Timer is on, so that's how it will pulse, and pulse is on, so it will pulse every 5 seconds. Okay, so from 2.5 kV to 4 kV, we go to the 100%. And that also has now 500 joule. You can see it's going up to the full scale there. As soon as you put off, as soon as you hit emergency stop, as soon as you cut the power at the back, everything will shut off and it will automatically discharge itself and the cable under test. If you want to move to the next voltage, you'll pull out the selector switch, align it with the red dot, make sure it's in, safety cable will come on, and now you are ready to go to your next one. Right. So that's basic operations. It does have a proof test function, so you can basically proof test up to 16 kV DC. Yeah, it does strip out around about 165 milliamps, I think. Alright, but that is the basic operation of the SG50016 from Adret.